Okay, so this is going to be kind of a weird live. I was working on this ring yesterday. This is the Eric Bloodaxe 1 ounce fine silver round. Really, really cool detail all over this thing. And I ran into a bit of an issue with it, removing the reeded edge here. As I was using my deburring tool, it was skipping a lot and just leaving gouges, and you can still see kind of the scarring from those gouges. But what I had to do was, instead of the usual thing I do, which is where we'll put it in this little holder, and I would go all the way around, right? That's where it was like chuck, 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 chuck. What I ended up having to do was kind of carve that away, just a little at a time, and I got most of it, but I'll kind of show you guys a little of what I would do. I would just get a little smooth chunk of it off at a time, go really slow, and maintain like the angle of the blade on here, and just slowly work like millimeter by millimeter, and then rotate it all the way around until I got that all cleaned up. And that has been like the most difficult reeded edge to remove, and you can see from the scarring I've still got quite a bit of smoothing out to do to clean that up, but we did remove it, and now I'm going to finish sizing this up. So yeah, it was really, really frustrating. I actually had to take a couple hours to stop and think about how to attack that problem, but that's what I ended up doing. It was just like slowly chipping away at it, and that ended up working. So we're gonna keep going. If anybody has any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. If you've never seen me before, I'm Coin Ring Maker from coinringmaker.com. I make coins into rings, all different kinds, quarters, half dollars, dollars. Today we're working on a 1 ounce silver round. So if you'd like to check out my shop, there's a link down here. There's also a link on my profile for the coin ring I have on sale right now. It's the 90% silver state quarter coin ring. I've got all 50 states available for that, and it's 20% off if you go through the link on my profile. All right. I am really glad I was able to resolve that issue with the reeded edge, but I definitely had to take some time to stop and think about it. All right, guys, I'll be back in just a minute.